Listen, this is the most super simple, super easy, and super quick crispy up.
Have you ever went in the kitchen and seen nothing and still made something and it became scrumptious?
Welcome to Carmel's Wine and Cheese, you guys. So listen, in today's video, what I'm going to be making is a crispy oven baked chicken, okay? So the first thing I'm gonna do is wash this chicken in some lemon and some apple cider vinegar, because of course, who making chicken without washing it first? I don't know. Then I'm gonna go ahead and pat it dry because we want this chicken to develop a crust. Alright, so now that chicken is nice and dry, for the seasonings, I'm going to use chicken bouillon. We want to make sure we're a little bit generous with the seasoning, obviously, because when you seasoning meat, you always want to be generous. So the next thing I'm going to put on there is some paprika, some cayenne pepper, some onion powder, of course garlic powder, some black pepper, and last but not least, some Sazon. Alright, so now that all the seasoning, is on there, I'm gonna go ahead and massage this chicken real nice. Now normally, if I would bake a chicken, I would season it and then let it sit. But your girl greedy, so I wanted it right away, but I promise you it's still gonna be good. But I'm gonna go ahead and stuff that chicken with some lemon, some fresh garlic, of course. Come on now, y'all should know by now. Some yellow onions, and some fresh thyme. So now it's time to put this bad boy in the oven. So in a baking dish, I'm gonna go ahead and drop that baby right on in there. And I know this gonna make some of y'all real happy. I ain't leave none of that seasoning and none of that good juice behind, baby, because all of that got to go on there. You hear me? Listen, do you see all that good seasoning on there? Listen to me now. This chicken gonna be good, I'm telling you. So I'm gonna go ahead and add the remaining of that yellow onion in there because I love onions and I feel like onions make stuff taste better just like garlic, and I'm gonna add the other half of that lemon in there. Now this is gonna go into the oven at 400 degrees uncovered, okay? That is the key to getting crispy oven baked chicken. You don't want to cover it because when you cover it, all that steam is gonna get trapped in there and it's gonna become soft. So after about an hour and a half, this is the finished product. Look at that. That thing pretty, boy. You better stop playing with me, okay? So you see, this was a very easy, very simple, very quick, crispy oven baked chicken recipe. Now for whatever reason, my sister wanted to cut it, so I just let her do the honors. Look at that. Lord have mercy. All right, now let's eat because your girl is hungry. You hear me? And that's it. Super easy, super quick, super simple, super tasty. It is just super.